I'm glad you brought me here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
If it was not for you,
You rocking with me now?
absolutely, man. If it was not for you, I would have been missing out.
Exactly. See,
100.
I'm a man of exploration, you know what I'm saying? You could even call me a savant, you know?
A savant.
Yeah, I'm savant,
Okay.
right? And so
You're
I
going
think,
fancy on me now, huh?
hey man, you know, that's the only French word I know, I think, outside of we, you know, like.
So catch me if I fall.
What's good, yo?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Finally got here. Definitely. How you been? You been all right? Man, I've been good, man, trying to grow the channel. So guys, if you don't know, this is Angkor Wat in Cambodia, ancient Cambodian kingdom. If you haven't been there, it's so beautiful. Like, you have to go see it. Go to Cambodia, Southeast Asia. I know some of y'all don't really know too much about Laos or Cambodia or Vietnam and all those Southeast Asian countries, even Malaysia, Indonesia. But there's so much beautiful history there. But this is Angkor Wat, and you have to see it in real life. Like, you just have to. It's so beautiful. All my Khmer people, they know what it is, you know. So definitely. But this is really dope. So they have this, and then they also have a lot of different people that has come through, you know, when they were at the food truck. Just all kind of different events. Jidip Sua. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Jidip Sua to the Ming Fu. The Sa'at Sre, the Sa'at Kamal Sre, the Sa'at Kamai Sre. You know what I'm saying? And we're back again. We're at Blasian Grill today. I'm with my boy right here.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Yeah, you guys know his channel, Secondment.
Secondment. Yes.
Secondment. You know his channel, Secondment. He always joins us when we're eating delicious food. Welcome back again today.
Appreciate you, brother.
What's up with you, man?
Man, I'm super excited for this Blasian food. So this is Black Asian food.
Exactly, specifically Black and Cambodian.
Exactly, Black and Cambodian. You can imagine right here, I do have a big serving of these hibachi. So this is called a trio combo. Does have some shrimp in there, some beef, chicken, tons and tons of veggies, zucchini, mushrooms, and of course, some onions. Exactly. Oh man, and got some yum sauce right there. Oh man, yum sauce hits home.
I know you. Look, everybody loves yum sauce. You know what I'm saying? And me, I have the veggie fried rice. You know, I got different assortments of vegetables in here. Got the veggie egg rolls. Yeah. Oh, healthy. Oh, okay. You always be getting at me like that. Like, oh, it's healthy. You know what I'm saying? It's healthy.
Right.
But okay. No further ado, let's go on for the first bite because I know you're hungry.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm super
We
hungry.
going egg roll first or we just
No,
going?
I think I'm just going to go straight for it.
How much food did you get?
Oh man, this is a lot of food actually. The first thing I'm going to do is just add this hibachi, this hibachi, the yum sauce.
Okay. I'm just going to taste it first because I just want to...
Just plain old?
Yeah, I just want to bask in the glory.
All right, hold on. Let me get my bite too.
See if my boy can cook, you know?
Yeah, yep. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, John. Yeah, that's good.
I love the flavor of the fried rice. Ooh. Of course, not a lot of soy sauce in there, so it's not really super salty.
But in a good way, like
in
just
a good
enough,
way.
just enough.
Yeah, exactly, just enough. You get that smokiness of the fried rice from the grill right there. Oh man, that's excellent.
You know what I like about this? Because
right,
it has a different assortment of vegetables. Like you said, I got the veggie fried rice. And the fried rice, man, it's cooked just the way you want to. Not too much soy sauce, because if you don't know how to cook it right, you can make it too salty. Once again, guys, don't make it too salty.
No, too salty is not good for you.
It's not, but this is perfect. You know why? Because you have enough saltiness, but then you also have a little bit of bell sprout crunchy with a little bit of sour and sweet.
And I like the fact that it's not mushy, right?
Yo, man. So what do you know about Cambodia? I'm about to put you on the spot.
Well, I know it's in Asia. Essentially, that's the best I know, that it's in Asia. And of course, that their food, the Cambodian food, is very good, very delicious.
Yeah, so guys, if you don't know, right, friend named Kosa, and you have the Blasian mix, you have the black side, you know, African American side, then you have the Cambodian Asian side.
Right.
Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Yo, Blasians are beautiful. I'm just gonna be honest. You ever seen Blasian girls?
No, I've never seen one.
A. Marie, the singer A. Marie. You
Really?
might not know her. Yeah, she's Blasian. Her mom's Korean and her dad's black. Yeah, her too. You know her?
Yeah, her.
Yeah, her mom is Filipino, her dad's black. Hey man, Blasians. I used to have a thing for Blasians, yeah.
What happened? You changed your...
No, I still like Blasians, you know what I'm saying? I just don't see them much, you know? Like,
Crazy.
but if you guys don't know, these two mixing of cultures have come together. I told you guys earlier in the video, if you've never been to Cambodia, you need to go to Cambodia, especially to check out Angkor Wat.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, beautiful Cambodian women, beautiful food, beautiful black women, beautiful food, like mix them together, what's up?
You can't go wrong with Blasian. And what I really like about my food here, actually, Johannes, is the tenderness of the beef.
Okay.
And of course, it's packed with tons and tons of flavors, combined with this shrimp right here. These shrimp, actually, they're massive, man.
I didn't know you like shrimp like that.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of shrimp. They're massive, they're juicy, and of course, they're sweet. Paired with a yum yum sauce,
Oh yeah.
it's
yeah,
guaranteed.
Put that yum yum to them
yeah,
right there.
it's
Yeah,
guaranteed
yeah,
to put you to sleep, man.
Oh yeah.
After.
Oh man. And I'm tired.
Oh man, that's very good. And I'm kind of curious,
Oh yeah.
your sauces.
Yeah. Once again, you're doing my job for me. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'll be
What
getting
kind of
caught up
sauce
in
is
the
that?
Ginger. Ginger sauce. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the egg roll, but look.
Actually, pour a little bit of that ginger
Oh,
sauce.
you want some?
in.
Okay.
Yeah, pour a
Look
little
at you.
bit
Look
there.
at you being adventurous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I want to taste it.
Like right there.
No, yeah, perfect.
Oh man, look at that, man. Look at
Yeah.
the way it drizzles. I'm
Yeah.
taking one of your cues.
Oh man, this is really good, actually. I like that combination of the ginger and of course the
All right, let
yum
me-
yum sauce.
Oh look, man, you doing too much mixing for me.
it's all right.
I can't mix that much.
All
I
right.
can't mix that much.
Give it a shot.
But look, let me tell you this fast. Okay, before I dip this, the egg roll, man, did you taste it? It has like a very
That-
good. You don't even need sauce.
that
It's
crunch
delicious.
right there.
Yeah, you see the crunch.
But the thing is, you jump gun. You're not supposed to try your egg roll right now because I haven't even tried my
Oh, my fault. I'm
chicken
getting
roll.
another one.
No, it's so good, man.
All right,
So
you ready?
good. Cheers.
Oh. With the ginger sauce?
That elevates this Blasian hibachi dish to a next level.
You know what? With that
Oh.
ginger sauce, it gives it this. What am I looking for? A little bit of like a tart and sour taste, but it mixes perfectly with like the egg roll. That's a little bit sweet inside, but it's also like a little bit savory, and it all mixes very well together.
Absolutely.
You like my food lingo now? It's getting
I
up
love
there,
it.
man.
I love it. You're getting better.
Yeah, you see.
You're a pro right now. And I like the spiciness too. The fact that the sauce itself is not overpowering sweet.
Yeah.
You know, because there's some other ginger sauces out there that are super sweet and stuff.
Yeah.
And that's not the vibe that I'm getting here.
I agree.
Yeah, so absolutely amazing. A combination of all these, sauces and the teriyaki sauce here. Oh man, it's something to die for, Johannes.
And you know what's beautiful about it?
Yeah, and this is some shrimp and some chicken, so let me give it a shot
Hold
first
on,
and
shrimp and
foremost.
chicken?
Yeah, shrimp and chicken. Yeah,
Oh,
put them all together right there.
go ahead, do your thing.
Cheers. Oh,
The shrimp and chicken. I can just imagine it. But I had a bite with this. What are these called again? I forget. Not cucumbers.
Zucchini.
But, zucchini.
yeah.
I don't think I ever had zucchini in fried rice. This is amazing.
Yeah? How does it taste?
She came up here.
I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure that one out.
That back pain?
It tastes a little bit like a cucumber.
It does, but the reason I said that in my mind when you ate that at the same time is because the zucchini gives it meat texture.
Absolutely.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
especially like for you for vegetarian and stuff, right?
Yeah, some
You
meat.
should have added like maybe a little bit of mushroom. Do you have
Oh,
mushroom
let
in
me
there?
guess. You're gonna say mushrooms.
Do you have some mushrooms?
I don't think so.
Just shoot right here.
Oh man. There's all kind of hidden gems in here.
Show it out there to the folks at home.
That's what kind of elevator right there ain't gonna front.
Yep, that's your
That's my meat.
mushroom right there.
Yeah, that's my meat.
Yeah, this dish is super excellent, man.
Yeah, man. that's
And
good.
actually, for just $20, you get this huge portion, the trio, onions in there, mushrooms, of course, zucchini, chicken, shrimp, and beef, and of course, the fried rice. You can beat that.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
can beat that.
look, I gotta say, I think the prices here are amazing for the food
They are.
that you get. This is a
Absolutely.
hidden gem right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you guys really want some good hibachi, Blasian food, you come over here. No other place. You come here.
100%. And I'm glad you brought me here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
If it was not for you,
You rocking with me now?
absolutely, man. If it was not for you, I would have been missing out.
Exactly. See,
100. You know.
I'm a man of exploration. You know what I'm saying? You could even call me a savant. You know?
A savant.
Yeah, I'm savant.
Okay.
Right? And so, I think.
Fancy on me now, huh?
Hey man, you know that's the only French word I know. I think outside of "we," you know, like. But I think when you explore for food, it's an amazing thing because even in your own city, there's so many food restaurants that you can explore. That you know, some people they might not even like see it or think about it.
Right.
You know, so to expand your horizons and be like, okay, this spot is here, this spot is there. Because some of the best food, it's really true. I know it sounds cliche, but some of the best food is in the places that are not the most ritziest places. You know.
Absolutely. The street food, the ethnic food, these local hidden gems are the ones that really, you know, step up.
I agree.
And of course, you know, Johannes, I do have these Blasian noodles.
Yeah, when you do that, I'm gonna get some of this sweet and sour. I want to see how this tastes with the
The sweet and
with
sour
egg roll.
sauce. Okay.
This actually will go. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this right here too, but I'm gonna do it with the egg roll as well.
Okay. Yeah, so what I like about these Blasian noodles, of course, they're thinly sliced,
Yeah, you got some hot mustard?
noodles.
Yeah.
And of course, they mix them with some green onions, and of course, they do have some eggs in there. Looks pretty cool. And of course, they
Good
cook it
looking,
with
brother. I'm
some
sorry about that.
soy sauce. So let's give it a shot.
It's all good. I appreciate it, brother. Okay, how does that taste?
Oh man, this is one of the best, the best of the best noodles I've ever tried. Of course,
You mind if I
kinda-
try?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah,
Yo, what the heck?
this is very good. Give it a shot again.
You're right. Like some type of like little bit of a sweetness, but it's like earthiness too.
Yep.
But in like a very floral way. Wow.
That's the vibe you're getting from, you know, the spices, the turmeric, and all that. Man, this is one of the best.
I told you,
Noodle
man. All right,
I've
follow.
ever tried.
Look, man, listen to me. Your life go good.
I'm glad I did. Yeah, this one is top notch. And I'm kind of curious if I add a little bit of that
Hold on, what are you doing?
in my hibachi.
What are you
Yeah,
doing?
in my fried rice.
Okay.
Maybe you should try it too. Add it in your fried rice. Add a little bit of this yum yum sauce.
Okay, I will start burning my mouth.
And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this sweet and sour kind of sauce in there. Ooh, wee.
Oh, very good, very
Very
good. Brother.
good.
I appreciate it.
All right, so this is what we're getting right now.
I have some noodles that drop, so
Cheers.
cheers. I'm gonna be totally honest with you right now. I just came to an instantaneously conclusion. If you come and get this, like during lunch, or dinner. Don't know about breakfast, 'cause I don't know what's for breakfast. But for lunch or dinner, you will not be displeased. You will actually be very satisfied, so much so that you're going to want to keep coming back here.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree
It's
100%.
It's good. It's the flavors are perfect. They're balanced. It's not too much saltiness, not too much sweetness. That's a very hard combination. I mean, like, to learn that balance of not too much of something or not too less of something, that's hard.
Yeah, it's not easy. And what I like about this spot too, Johannes, is the fact that the food is prepared to order. You show up,
Yep.
you place your order,
Yep.
they'll make it in front of you, serve it fresh.
Yep.
And the ingredients too,
Very, like, just tastes fresh and real, like, not fake. It doesn't
not
taste
fake. Exactly. Everything is, it tastes more like a whole meal,
Yeah.
like a home cooked meal. And I think that's really hard to get out there, especially like for the prices.
Yeah.
Like, as I mentioned before, this whole thing comes up to $20.
With the egg rolls.
Yeah, with the egg roll, it's like, an egg roll is like $2.25. And the Blasian noodles, they're like $5.
And think about some people right now in, like, New York and LA, they're jealous because
Oh,
I'm pretty
oh.
sure this would be like $40 or $50.
Of course, like easy.
Sucks for y'all. Why y'all live there?
Yeah, they should move to Ohio. Like, real quick. Yeah. So, Johannes, right now I think I'm going to try my chicken
Oh, I'm gonna
egg
try it
roll.
with you. Okay.
Chicken egg roll right there. Add a little bit of the yum yum sauce.
I just want to apologize because I'm getting so consumed by this food, so I got to tell myself to, like, let's do this
Yeah,
video.
because the thing is, you're all over the place. You're eating your rice.
I'm sorry.
Your noodles, you're eating your you know, your egg rolls all at the same time.
It's so good.
Jeez, man, you can't control yourself.
I'm sorry, yo. Let me control myself.
Chillax, man.
Yeah, chillax. Yeah, I'm gonna control myself. Yeah, that's why I ain't got no girl. Okay, let's
Cheers,
go.
bro.
Peace.
Oh,
With the ginger sauce. Wow.
it's even better, huh?
Especially like when it's cold. It's not as cold as what it was last week. It was like -15.
Right,
but
right.
still, for like 30 degrees, like, this is a warm meal that you would definitely want to be eating right now.
Absolutely.
You know what? Let me act like you real quick. Let me add that.
Add
Let me
the
add the
ginger.
ginger. Yeah. Come on. Let's be a little bit
All right.
creative right here. In
I
the
like
name
that.
of you.
I like that creativeness in there.
Okay.
Cheers, brother. Oh. I told you.
I told you. So these two together, sweet, sour. Sweet, sour. Perfect.
Spicy.
Spicy, yeah, spicy, yeah, a little spicy, yeah.
Oh.
But yo, brother, I really appreciate you joining me for this beautiful hibachi.
Absolutely.
Whoever thought we was gonna have hibachi, Blasian, Black and Asian hibachi on a Tuesday afternoon? Look, we must be rich because we're not at work. So, like,
There you go. And actually, even better, you do have an option to get vegetarian
oh yeah, I forgot about that.
hibachi, you know, rice. Or if you're more into, you know, protein and all those kind of things and stuff, you can get, you know, shrimp, chicken, salmon,
And
and
mix them
scallops
together.
too. Yeah.
They have
Yeah,
scallops?
because they do have scallops
Oh,
right there,
God, look at
and
y'all.
you know,
Fancy.
shrimp. Yes. So if you're one of those people that loves fish and stuff, you can go for that.
It's like a surfing turf,
Oh yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
Put
Even
the
better.
land meat with the ocean meat.
Exactly, but with a sprinkle of, you know, greatness.
Exactly. Oh, wow! I never heard this from you. This is a new. We turned over a new leaf today. Yeah, okay,
Right.
okay.
With a
okay.
sprinkle of greatness and stuff.
So, guys, that wraps up the video today. I really appreciate you guys. Please come down here and check out my homeboys' restaurant. Support them. Come eat it. Come eat it again. Check out the vibes. Come in here. It's mad cool. It's mad relaxed. You know, on some Ohio-ish. You know what I'm saying? So, until next time, please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Make sure you add me on all social medias. And until next time, peace.
Peace.
One love.
So catch me if I fall.